Hi folks, Anthony Salazar, Big Sal here from Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Newmar Bay Star Sport 3226. Awesome coach, really nice features. Let's go on in and take a look. Okay folks, as you come inside this beautifully appointed Bay Star Sport 3226, this is on the new Ford V8 platform. So it's going to have a little more horsepower. It's going to drive out a little nicer, a lot more torque than the V10s had. Side cameras, very well appointed. Now this one has an overhead bunk on it above the captain seats area here. So that's nice to have just as an extra sleeping area for somebody, for one adult or some small children. You've got the buffet style dinette here with a pull-out table that seats 4 chairs, a nice flat screen Samsung television, very nice decor in here. As we head back over to the kitchen area, you've got a nice oven, 3-burner cooktop, a good sized fridge, a nice amount of counter space for a smaller coach, a beautiful sofa in here as well. As we head back towards the back, nice walk around bed, flat screen TV. Lots of storage in this unit. And as we go in here to the bathroom area, very nicely well appointed bathroom, good size shower, lots of storage in there. Really a nice coach. Folks, if you like this unit I've just showed you or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me a Big Sal a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.